top of the morning to you. So for another beautiful day. So pretty. Go check on the chickies. Good morning.
They look so big.
I know, they get so big. Getting so big. Ow, you're biting my hand. I know. This is where he gets his name Biter from. He just like goes to town. That's one thing that's consistent about Biter. Anytime you feed him, he always like bites my hand. And that's why he got his name.
Dynamite.
Personality. I am definitely anticipating getting our first eggs.
What are you doing?
What just happened? What just happened to you? Are you being a bully? Well, that's it for now. We're going to go back inside and go eat some breakfast.